Hi, friends! Welcome to Dreamy Days Art!
Today, we are drawing H for heart. So go grab your painting colors and brushes. First, we will draw letter H. H comes after G.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N. Let's start the alphabet again. A, B, C, let's dance around. Clap your hands, let's make some sound. D, E, F, and G, H, I, J. We'll sing and laugh and play all day. K, L,
Now we will draw a heart.
Q. The alphabet's so fun to do.
Heart starts with the letter H. Friends, do you know what else starts with the letter H? Coloring time! First, we will color letter H yellow.
Now you know your ABCs. Sing with friends and family. Learning letters is so neat. Dancing to this happy beat. A, B, C, let's dance around. Clap your hands, let's make some sound. D, E, F, and G, H, I, J. We'll sing and laugh and play.
Time to color the heart red.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Thanks for singing along with me.
And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.